In this video, I'm going to be talking about the exchanger called Bitget, but everything that you need to know about the spot copy trading. I'm pretty sure that you guys might not be aware that you can have the possibility to do copy trading with Bitget, but not in futures, but in using the spot wallet. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be giving you all the information about the exchanger Bitget, but I'm going to be focused on the spot copy trading. Just in case, guys, that this is the very first time you hear about this exchanger, well, I can tell you that this is not a new exchanger. It has been online since April 2018. And as you can see here, okay, it's currently on the 6th spot. If you go to CoinMarketCap and you actually make a research about exchanges, okay, so they have been around for a really long time, but you know, they're always improving, giving us many options, and this is actually really cool. If you don't have an account, I'm going to be leaving a link below in which you're going to be having several bonuses. You'll also be getting several discounts with the Bitget products. Okay, so this is the homepage at the time I'm actually recording this video. This is something that they changed. Okay, remember, right now I'm just going to be talking about the copy trading, but in the spot copy trading. I know they have been really long time since they already provide the futures copy trading. You can also go with the strategy copy trading and all this stuff, but right now I'm going to go here with spot copy trading. Okay, so this is literally the dashboard. It's really easy, really simple for you to go. Okay, first of all, you're gonna see the top traders. Okay, for example, we have this one. It says that short-term trade. Right now, this is the amount of followers. Okay, the amount of followers means that no more than this amount of people can be copying the strategy from this trader. Okay, so for example, you can see this one says full. It's because all, in this case, this person has 300 spot are full. Okay, you're gonna see that this already allows up to 750 people, and although this one it's actually brand new because it has been only followed by 2 people, you know, it's already here on the highest return of investment. They also have another category in which you're going to be having the highest profits and losses. Okay, the highest profits and losses. You're going to see this one is already full. These are not necessarily the same above, but you're going to see, for example, we have short-term trade and patty. Okay, they are also here as well. Okay, also we do see like, hey, which are like the most popular. So you're gonna see like followers, highest you know, profit and losses. We have this person, it's the return of investment is 74%. This one is 82. Okay, so you're gonna have the opportunity to check. Okay, so these are the top performance. But if we click here where it says view all trades or all traders, you are gonna see that we have, you know, more options, and we can also filter this by follower, return on investment, the total profit and losses, the copiers, and all this stuff. Or you can also go here and we can, you know, filter like, hey, I want certain amount, okay, of profit, return of investment, the win rate in the past 3 weeks. Okay, if you want to see that, like maybe you're looking on a certain strategy, maybe you don't want to have, you know, people to do a really aggressive strategy, or you want them, right? So you can click here and it's going to filter everything, but based on the strategy that you want. Maybe you want something that it's looking to do trades in short terms or low frequency. Okay, or maybe you're like, no, you know, I'm a long-term player. I'd rather go with long-term trades. Okay, hide those who are full. I suggest you to go with that because at the end of the day, we cannot copy it. Okay, you know, a trader who do not have any spot available Okay, you can also put like, hey, if I want to have just traders who are in my area, if they are verified, okay, so you can go with that. Chances are that right now you're wondering like, Diana, can I copy more than one trader? Yes, you can. At the end of the day, it's up to you. It depends on which strategy you want to go with. There are people who would like to put all the eggs in one basket. There are people who would like to diversify their, their investment, their capital. But at the end of the day, it's up to you, like which one you're gonna go. Also, I consider you to check on the win rate, okay, on the past 3 weeks, so you can have a better idea like how everything performed for this trader really recently. Okay, check, guys, like which one is going to be more suitable to you. Again, make a research, your own research about different strategies in trading with cryptos. Okay, so you can decide like if you want to go with short terms, long term, low frequency, high frequency, aggressive, and all this stuff. Okay, once you choose a trader, you're gonna click here where it says copy now, and this is an example of a trader. In my case, this is Patty. Okay, this is just as an example. You're gonna see that Patty provides me, or he actually used, well, I don't know if actually he or she, but it used a lot of trades, okay, a lot of pairs. In my experience, if you want to trade with all of these pairs, you will need to have a higher capital. If you don't have, that many, a lot of capital, go with a trader who is not using a lot of pairs. Right now, you're going to see that this one is using 83. That's a lot, okay? But we have others who are using less pairs, okay? So you can be clicking and you can be checking like, okay, I would like to know like how many pairs this person is using. Maybe he's using one, maybe he's using two, maybe, okay, for example, let's go here with this one. This person is also have a lot, okay? So let's say that I'm gonna go with this one with short term. Okay, this person is using less, it's using 60. Another possibility you guys have is that you can choose like, okay, maybe you feel comfortable because, for example, Bitcoin, which is the first one, you're like, okay, I want to go all in with Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum, okay, because those are, the most popular cryptos, and they're also on the news, so I can check on a daily basis all about the news, like it's going up or it's going down. So you can disable this and you can say like, hey, I don't want to be doing trades with all these pairs, okay? But again, my suggestion is that if you want to do this manually, it's actually risky because you don't know which one is the one that is performing the best. But you can also put it like, hey, I will need to disable all of them, okay? I will need to disable all of them, right? Okay, so you can be like, okay, I just want to go with just these two, so you're gonna leave just these two. But again, they are different kind of traders. You can check and see like, hey, if they are actually working with a couple of pairs, okay? So that's also my recommendation. If you're not have like a huge capital, just use a trader with a couple of pairs, okay? Okay, so let me show you here. For example, this one has 26, okay? This one has 26. You're gonna see that, oh, sorry, it's total trades. No, here is it. Here's one is also using the 82. Okay, so let's continue with this trader, okay? This trader has 68 spot out of 100, so it to have available. The profit ratio is 8%. We cannot see how much he or she is actually trading, and total trades right now it's 26. Okay, members in the last 30 days, you're gonna see. Okay, no, sorry, member in days. So he or she has been around for a really long time. You can see that this one it's a brand new member. Okay, so you can also put the margin mode, like, hey, I don't know how this person is actually doing the trade, so I would like to put a fixed amount of every single trade. The minimum is 10 and the maximum in this case is 3,000. Okay, this is also something that changed per trader. Okay, at this time they do have the same number. You can go also and says like, okay, no, I'm gonna go with multiplier. Okay, it's gonna be between 0.1 to 20. Okay, multiplier, it's not gonna be a fixed amount, it's gonna be a percentage of the account. Okay, but fixed amount is like, hey, I don't know, maybe this trader it have a huge capital and I don't know, so he or she is open a trade with $100. I don't feel comfortable opening a trade with $100. I just want to go maybe just with 5. Okay, so you can do that as well. You can also do this per pair. Okay, you're gonna see here, this is the same per pair. Okay, so you can see like, hey, I want this trader to be more aggressive with USDC and USDT, or with BNB and USDT, but I want to be more conservative whenever there is something regarding Bitcoin. Okay, so you can do that per pair, or you can just go with basic mode, and basic mode is literally with everything here in the account. You can also have the reach management. Okay, here on the reach management, here you can put like, hey, if I want to manually put a stop loss, if I want to manually put like take the profit, okay, the maximum follow amounts, so you can put it actually here. Okay, so here is also a guidance, like if you click the link below of how you can be using this and how you can actually be a trader if you decide to be a trader. Okay, something really important, guys, as you can see, this is actually beginner friendly. Literally, you can start and stop copying the spot trading at any time. As you can see here, with minimum setup, everything is automatic. Okay, you're literally going to be copying the trades of the traders, and you're going to replicate that in real time. It's hassle free. You're going to be having a portfolio. For example, if you use this trader, hey, he is using 82 pairs. Okay, so you can have your own portfolio, and manage it and diversify it without any kind of knowledge and without being, checking on the news and all that stuff. Okay, for example, you can also leverage the expertise. Okay, so you're going to be getting all the benefits from a professional trader, the knowledge, the strategy, and experience. As I show you, you can personalize your experience. Okay, access to the spot copy trade if you prefer lower risk trading or futures, or as I told you, aggressive strategies and all that stuff. And there is also a first time protection that get loss cover of up to 10 USDT if your first copy trade position closing. Okay, so there is a lot of actual benefit here and a lot of cool things that you can do with the service with Bitget. And this service, remember, it's going to be the spot copy trading. So if you're ready to open your account and you would like to take a look, check out the very first link in the description so you can create your account, and you're gonna be getting more benefits, okay, like discounts and bonuses. Okay, guys, well, this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some questions about Bitget and about the spot copy trading, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.